In the beginning, there is the non-local field, the singularity, the source itself. It is an ocean of quantum frequencies and probability waves beyond space and time. When probability waves overlap coherently, their information density increases. When that density reaches the Bekenstein bound, horizons form from light. These horizons are Kugelblitzes, black holes formed from pure light itself. They continuously form and evaporate across the informational field. That evaporation becomes Hawking radiation at each holographic horizon. Hawking radiation carries the black hole state as projected information. It behaves like a double-ended light stylus, reading and writing the horizon. It etches that state like grooves upon a cosmic record made of light. The horizon becomes a moving intensity map of projected informational geometry. Virtual particle pairs separate across that horizon through quantum entanglement. One particle remains linked to the non-local field behind the horizon. The mirrored particle appears as the reflected projection on the screen. That reflected imprint collapses into quantum state vectors across the horizon. Each quantum state vector carries phase, frequency, probability, and direction. Its angle encodes probability, velocity, and local informational flow. Its changing angle becomes acceleration, curvature, and gravity itself. The horizon sums all possible histories of phase and frequency together. This is the holographic version of Feynman's sum over histories. The histories aligned in phase interfere constructively across the field. Those coherent histories become the bright surviving informational pattern. That surviving pattern becomes the intensity map of projection itself. That intensity map behaves like a Riemann plate of informational geometry. Its surviving nodes behave like entanglement intersections within the field. Those nodes are the allowed informational letters of projection. Each projected frame becomes a sequence made from those letters. Those sequences become the deeper origin of Feynman diagrams. When projected through the horizon, the nodes ray trace into geodesics. Those geodesics become space-time, motion, gravity, and observable reality. The geodesic grid is projected geometry from the interference pattern. This is like watching a movie reflected through an informational mirror. The singularity contains the hidden interference pattern behind the projection. The horizon reveals that hidden geometry as etched geodesics of light. The intensity map becomes a holographic quantum QR code of reality. Those projected intersections behave like cosmic informational lithography. Light etches geometry and information across the holographic horizon. That lithographic process is computation performed through light itself. The horizon computes reality by evolving interference geometry moment to moment. Electron orbitals emerge as standing wave interference projection patterns. Quantum mechanics emerges through amplitudes projected from QSV geometry. General relativity emerges through geodesic curvature across projection. Einstein's metric tensor emerges from the horizon's evolving intensity geometry. The strong force behaves like coherent informational confinement. Electromagnetism behaves like phase alignment across charge geometry. The weak force behaves like informational state transitions within projection. Gravity behaves like curvature within projected informational density. The four forces become behaviors of one holographic projection system. The cosmic microwave background is the baby picture of that pattern. Its intensity map preserves the early QSV geometry of space-time. Each horizon qubit contains local informational flow and geometric direction. Those directional arrows place tail to tip and rotate through projection. Those rotating geometries Fourier transform into space-time and curvature. Spinning QSV projections literally draw reality across the holographic horizon. That drawing behaves like computation because light measures itself. Microtubules behave like biological holographic registers inside the brain. Tubulin dimers behave like qubits oriented through dipole geometry. Each dimer carries directional arrows across local probability fields. As dimers align into cylinders, their informational directions combine. Those biological geometries reconstruct projected holographic geodesics. The nervous system behaves like a living holographic reconstruction system. It renders sight, sound, taste, touch, smell, memory, and emotion. The brain reads interference geometry like a holographic quantum QR code. Consciousness emerges when light becomes aware of its own projection. The universe is a holographic interference pattern of projected geodesics that define the structure of space, time, and your mind.